Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the OHaus StarterPen Conductivity Meter, product code IC-ST20C-B. OHaus pen meters are small, handheld and economical meters designed to be fast, straightforward and simple to use. The IC-ST20C-B measures conductivity from 0.1 to 1999 microsiemens per centimeter with a resolution of 1 microsiemens per centimeter and an accuracy of plus or minus 2.5 of the full scale. In the box, there's an instruction manual for the OHaus ST series of pen meters and the conductivity meter. The meter features a crisp multi-level LCD screen, 3 buttons, these are on-off, hold and up selection and down selection. The meter body is grooved for enhanced grip. Under the top cap is the 4 included AG13 1.5 volt micro alkaline batteries. Attached to the top of the lid is a wrist strap. This can be clipped on and off and is adjustable. And on the bottom of the meter, under a protective cap, is a conductivity electrode. A great feature of this series of meter is the electrode is user replaceable. Replacement electrodes are much more economical than a new meter. To change electrodes, simply unscrew the electrode collar and pull out the electrode. And that's what comes in the box with the OHaus StarterPen Conductivity Meter, the IC-ST20C-B. For more information on this conductivity meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.